Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar, salad bar, and I'll, top of the best salad. Just make you a fresh, lovely salad with some rocket and spinach and, bits and pieces in it. Very lovely salad, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. So thank you for tuning in and watching this video. It's amazing recipe, guys. Leave your comments in the description box. And this is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. One of the best you could ever have in your kitchen is this recipe to make at home. Stay tuned and don't give up and keep the faith. One love again from Chef Ricardo. Thank you for watching. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically we're gonna make you spinach and rocket salad. Now we're gonna put some cucumber, and some celery. Radish, and some cherry tomato. Red pepper, some yellow pepper, that is lovely and nice. Look, a bit of chili. Just a tiny bit of chili, tiny bit, not much. Pepper. And some lemon juice. As you can see, that is lovely and nice. All right. Now, look a bit of olive oil. Oh, this one is empty. Look, a bit of extra virgin oil. Look at that. It's amazing salad. So guys, enjoy it, subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Amazing recipe. And that is just really lovely and nice and simple. And I know you guys 100% can make this at home. So please enjoy it. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Thank you for watching.